Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really...
Hey guys, it's Tamia here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be another video in my Vlogmas 12 days of Vlogmas series, whatever you want to call it. Today's video is going to be a thumbnail tutorial, or basically how I edit my thumbnails. This video has been super requested by a lot of you guys over the past few months, so I just decided to go ahead and make an updated one. The last time I did one of these videos was probably years ago, so it's time for another one. Anyway, if you guys do enjoy this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down bar below, as well as all of my social media links, so make sure y'all check those out. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into my thumbnail tutorial. So first things first, I use my phone to make all of my thumbnails. I used to do most of my thumbnails on the computer. After a while, it just got to the point to where like I had all this different stuff in my computer from creating different thumbnails and stuff. I just decided to start doing them on my phone, and it is a lot quicker on my phone, plus it's a lot easier. The apps that I use to complete my thumbnails are Fonto, VSCO Cam, and PixArt. And sometimes I do use the Pixlr app, and sometimes I use PicMonkey. So the first thing that I do is open the VSCO Cam app, and then I'm just gonna go and add a picture. Once I get it open into VSCO Cam, the first thing I do is pick a filter. So VSCO Cam has all these different types of filters. I actually already have a pre-filter made, but I'm gonna kind of sharpen it a little bit. So once I do that, I'm just gonna press save. So once the picture is saved, I go straight to PixArt, and when I go to PixArt, I basically go and add stickers. The first thing I do is press on the word sticker. It's like a little sticker thingy, and it pops up this little store right here, so you can search up different stickers and stuff like that, and they have all these different things. You can search up different stuff. So basically what I do is when I first put it on the screen, I put it in front of me, and then I press this little erase button, and I start to erase it. And I like to erase it because I don't like all the glitter and stuff on me. So basically making it look like it's outside of me and none on me, if that makes sense. So I'm going to press apply, and then I'm going to press sticker again and go and add that same exact sticker on the other side. And then I'm going to go to my erase button and just kind of erase the parts that are on top of me. And yeah, now we got the base of my thumbnail done. After that, I'm going to go to the app called Fonto, and this is a text app. So now that I have Fonto open, it's now time to add some text. So this video is called my December playlist. So I'm going to just type December. The font that I've been using recently is called Papaya Sunrise. So now it's just kind of my time to play around with everything. So what I like to do is I like to add a stroke, which is basically a outline. And then after that, I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow. And I'm going to type playlist. I like to use I like to use two different fonts in my and the second font I like to use is of course called Unicorn Sparkles, because I love me some unicorns. So I'm going to add some shadows and then just a little bit of stroke, and I'm going to do this one in green. I'm going to add emoji just to kind of add a little bit of pictures. So I'll type music so I can get a music sign because I don't feel like looking for it. Add a little bit of shadow to that so it can look 3D-ish. I'm sorry guys, I'm just kind of like looking at it and it just looks a little bland. I think that looks a little better. Make this a little bit bigger too. Okay. So now guys, this is kind of the finished look. So guys, that was all for this video, so I hope you all enjoyed. Please remember to give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down bar below, as well as all of my social media links and all of that good stuff. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye bye. Forever young I wanna be in this moment.